Hey y'all, we just got back from Woodman's and we got a grocery haul. So I'm gonna flip you around and show you what we got. Here we go. Look at this. Let's flip my phone around because it looks dumb the other way. This is one table, all fruits and vegetables. That's what we got on our table. I'll go through it, so just hang with me here. But I have to show you what we got. Goes all the way around. Way over here. Look at that. Okay, let's go through this grocery haul. We'll start over here on the fruits and vegetables so we can get stuff washed up, and hopefully we can find it on the receipt. So we got a bunch of bananas. I think they were 57 cents a pound, and they were $1.33 for that. Next we got some grape tomatoes. And I don't know, how much were you grape tomatoes? You have to bear with me, I still have the end of a cold. Oh, 2 for $5. Found it finally. And then next we have some Driscoll's blackberries, which you know by now we like our blackberries. They were 2 for $5. So it's two of those. They look pretty decent. Of course, we usually pick the best of the best. So. And then some Sweetheart strawberries. I think they were 2 for $3. So $1.50 a pound, which is really, really, really good price. And they look really good. So I like them. Excuse me for my nose sniffling. Carrot oranges were, I don't know. I never know. $3.50 a bag for 3 pounds. So, got those. Next up, we have some parsnips. We'll just leave them in the bag. I don't eat them. They were 69 cents a pound. And we got, it cost $1.28. Next, we got some lemons. I'll start putting lemon in my water. They were 39 cents each. I have 3 of them. So, I'll slice them up, put them in my water. And then I have some sweet potatoes. I usually eat them. We slice them up and put them in the oven and bake them. They were 79 cents a pound, and they cost about $2.39 for 2 of them. And jalapenos were 99 cents a pound. I don't know. That cost $3.66 for 3.7 pounds. And then we buy wheatgrass. We buy that for the cat. She likes to chew on it, especially in the winter, where she doesn't get enough nutrients. You know, she likes to chew on it. We don't use it for smoothies. So that is for the cat. That is for Pootie. Next I got some garlic. I plan on taking at least one of these, and I cut the top off and I drizzle it with some oil, and then I bake it. So we have roasted garlic. We're going to do with that. That was $1.80 for three heads of garlic. And then our handmade rolled butter was $4.99. That was on sale. We like that. I got 2 packages of California blend vegetables, and I think they were 99 cents a piece, which I don't see them on the receipt. Oh, did I go through the red pears? I don't remember. The red pears are 2 for $5 in the organic section, so I don't think I did them. Sorry. And we got some stir-fry blend broccoli, carrots, snap peas, and yellow bell peppers. You can add any kind of meat to that and have a decent meal. Next we got some and cheese cuts, $4.40 for that one. And $4.27 or smoked cheddar. And smoked bourbon Gouda. Oh, that might be tasty. I've been fighting to get enough protein in because I've been on a diet of sorts. So this Chobani has 20 grams of protein, 0 added sugar, and that was one of our higher priced ones. But I went in looking for some protein for myself, so $5.69 for 4. And then the andouille sausage was for $3.79. So it doesn't have a lot of protein. It's 8 grams for a 2 ounce. So we're just gonna eat that like a ring bologna, which hubby uses for making yogurt. 49 a gallon. And we got distilled water, which we use in our CPAP machines for I think $1.12. That was a really good price. This was in the refried beans was in the discount. We're not, it was 49 cents. So I got a bag of dark chocolate, $5.79. Like to have one once in a while. This Teddy all natural unsalted peanut butter was on sale. The hubby likes to have that. $3.39 for that. So we got 2 of those, and then I get the Jif to go because it takes me a long time to open up or to use a jar of peanut butter, so it's more convenient for me. It's $2.79 for that. Then we got some cough drops, honey ginger drops, honeys, liquid honey in every drop. Those were $1.99, so those were on sale. So we're still kind of, one of us is in the middle of a cold and the other one's at the end. And then some Hippo. This is the brand of trash bags that we buy. Hippo sack. They were $6.79 for 45 bags. And I bought a little thing of hand sanitizer because I use that for my job. And it is the season that everybody's getting sick. So it's always good to sanitize your hands. And that was $2.49. So it says Wish. Do you think it came from the Wish website? Cranberry raspberry juice was $3.29. Yep. And then we bought some more cough medicine. Kind of helps with a few of the symptoms. I have a runny nose, and yeah. So this was $3.79 a piece. So, and some classic sourdough bread. So we like sourdough. I don't know how much that was. I haven't found it yet. $9 for 24-ounce loaf. And we buy the multi-meal mini spooners. The $7.99 for 3 pounds, 12 ounces. So not quite 4 pounds. Some El Milagro tortilla chips. They were in like a cart that was marked on, but I don't see the price on that. $1.99 for 1 pound. We got some romaine. There were 369 stalks of romaine. Oh wait, that's 2. Anyway, they were 99 cents for 3 packages. And then some grapes. Grapes were $2.39 a pound. Get that. Let's see. And then some Kleenex, because we're going through the Kleenex because we've got colds. Anyway, that was $4.99 for 3 boxes. What am I missing here? The polar water, which is down at the bottom of the steps. We got 3 polar waters. 8 pack, they're 8 in a pack for $10. So 3 boxes. And what else don't I have here? I think that's it. So, what do you think? What do you think we paid for all of this food? It's a lot of food. It's a lot of produce. You see, we don't have anything that is processed. It's all real because we cook and we like real food. So, the price I have, $141.57. So that is our total. And that's not the only thing we bought. Boxing, a microwave oven. So we bought that at Best Buy for $2.19. Yeah. So that is my grocery haul for the last day of February. Looking forward to getting into March. Thank you for watching my videos. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.